Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Time Price Opportunity, updated. Start by adding a time price profile to your preferred charting platform and set clear session times. Look for value area, point of control, and single prints to assess market acceptance and rejection. Use TPO structure with volume and market context to plan entries, manage risk, and adjust targets based on evolving profile shapes. In this segment, I will show how to interpret profile shapes and locate key reference levels. Focus on where trading concentrated, where auction pauses, and which areas were rejected quickly. Combine those signals with nearby support or resistance and the overall trend to refine entries. Practice marking these zones on multiple sessions to build confidence and develop simple rules for entries, stops, and profit targets. In this section, I will help you apply TPO in live trade examples with clear trade management rules. Watch how entries near value edges offer favorable risk to reward and how breakouts require confirmation like follow-through volume. Use position sizing to protect capital and scale out at logical profile landmarks. Review each trade to learn pattern repeats and refine your rules for different market conditions and timeframes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.